tutorial, I want to show you a very quick way to compose text together by using an ampersand. So what we have here are people's names, and then I want to be able to create an email address for them by composing the name, the and then the domain name, which I made up here. So the easiest way to do it just by using an ampersand would be equals. You click on the cell with the name, you add an ampersand, click on the cell with the another ampersand, and click on the cell with the domain name. We press return, and there you go. I got Claudio at spreadsheetsandcoffee.com. I'm also getting an autofill suggestion, and I'm going to accept it. And ta-da! The spreadsheet has done the same for the remaining of the list. If I didn't get that suggestion, all I had to do was to come here on this cell. You see I get a cross when I come here at the bottom right, and I can just drag this down and we achieve the same results.